Assalamualaikum. This is me, Ayu Idris, a mechanical engineer, a blogger, and a newbie YouTuber. I'm growing up around a lot of men in my life, my classmate, my colleague, so I didn't think too much about makeup. I actually having a love-hate relationship with makeup. I love makeup, but I hate it because I don't know how to wear it. Until I become a blogger 2 years ago. I met a lot of beauty bloggers and YouTubers that inspire me to be beautiful with makeup and confident with my own healthy skin. Since I love watching YouTube, I love making videos, and I love editing, I started my own YouTube channel to share with people how I see things around me. I make vlogs, I make recipes and product reviews. Later that I found out, this is my passion. My dream is to make YouTube as my career. I want to watch my YouTube channel grow, and I'm gonna make my own beauty tutorials soon. I know this is huge, but everything is possible if you have passion. Let's change destiny.